Hi, how are you?
Hi,
What's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin.
Yeah.
So today we are asking Kenyans, what is the least popular African country? You can name for us three.
In Africa, there's Botswana. I don't usually Botswana, Namibia, and maybe Mali. Yeah.
Why do you say that?
Do you even have you ever had a country like those mentioned anywhere? It's usually South Africa, Kenya, and maybe Tanzania and Uganda, and Ethiopia because of athletics. But the other countries are usually quiet. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your opinion.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Hi.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Saleh Ivy. Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, which do you think is the least popular African country?
On the list, Eritrea, Algeria, the other one again, Djibouti. Yeah.
Why do you say so?
Because I've not been hearing them, at least maybe in the news or something has happened. It's the quietest country because Kenya we shout a lot. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your opinion. Really appreciate it.
Okay, thank you too.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very fine.
What's your name?
Abu or Hyper?
So today we are asking Kenyans to name three least popular countries in Africa.
Namibia, Niger. I'll go for maybe Seychelles. Yeah.
Is there a reason why?
Maybe because I think they are the countries I've never had updates about. I've not had them in the news or something. So to me, those are my least popular countries. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Kanjana 254.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans the least popular country in Africa. You name for us three.
Somalia, Djibouti, and Rwanda.
Why do you mention the three?
Because sijasikia story kuhusu. Yeah.
Okay.
But Somalia, wacha tu.
Umewasikia?
Nimewasikia kidogo. Yeah, but Rwanda na Djibouti sijasikia kitu yote. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
What's your name? Bobby.
Yes.
So today we are asking Africans, which do you think are the least popular African countries? You can name for us three.
Least popular. Wow. Okay, we can start with Madagascar. Actually, iko connected to Africa. It's like far away. We can do Libya. What else? Mali. The country barely here. So yeah, I can say so. Baziko nyingi, but three is it.
And which one would you say are the most popular? Zile zenye across the continent zinasikika sana.
Kenya to start with. SA. What else? Nigeria. Yeah, I guess for now in Africa is the most popular. Hizo ndo zina trend. So,
okay.
Yeah.
So thank you so much.
Asante.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Vincent.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, which do you think is the least popular country in Africa? You can name for us three.
Least popular countries in Africa.
Yeah.
Least country. When it comes to population?
No, when it comes to, most popular, I can imagine one is South Africa, Nigeria, Kenya, they are known for obvious reasons, maybe music, entertainment segment, So which one is that country that you think is the least popular? Yenye hausikiangi mambo sana nayo?
I think Ethiopia. Yeah. We've never had anything from Ethiopia. Then Sudan. Yeah, Sudan. Then Burundi.
And why did you mention the three?
Because there's nothing that's happening there totally. Because when it comes to even the music, you can hear Nigerians are doing great, South Africa are doing great, Tanzania, Kenyan. but I think these three, they don't. I think they are very low when it comes to normal activities in the world. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Guru 46.
Guru 46. So what would you say is the least famous country?
The least famous, Djibouti.
Why?
Because kama for example hata sijui ka Djibouti ina exist, hata sijaisikia wakicomplain anywhere. So Djibouti sijui historia yao kabisa.
Okay, which other country? Could you give us two more?
Hizo zingine nasikia Djibouti ndio imekuwa tricky sana, sijui kama hata wako Twitter ama wako wapi, sijui wasikia.
Okay. Na kuna country ingine yenye unaweza sema hausikiangi anything much about it? Unajua Niger?
Naijua. Hizi zingine unajua Niger kama hiyo, unajua kama hizo country za West Africa zote kwanza imewafanya wamekuwa outstanding. So labda kuna country kingine pia kale ka king, unajua King Mswati ama nini.
Okay, sawa. Asante sana.
Right.